Hello and welcome to Zuha Khan's radio show. As always, we try and surprise you with the interviews of different guests that come on this show, whether it's Mr. Shoaib Malik to Mr. Shahid Afridi to Mr. Faridun Shahryar of Bollywood Hungama. We have always tried to take in your requests. So, that being said, a little birdie recently told us that one of Pakistan's award-winning actors was here shooting for his film in Toronto. So we thought, why don't we get him to come on Zuha Khan's radio show so we can get to know a bit more about him and the film. And he's known for his performances in dramas like Tyare Dil, Main Sitara, Maan, and even starred in films like Godfather, Shoot on Sight, and so many more incredible projects. He's actually such a busy bee, let's just say that. So I'm sure you know who I'm talking about, Mr. Mikal Zulfikar. How are you doing today?
Very well, thank you, Zoha, and thank you for this opportunity to connect with your fans and people here in Toronto.
Yeah, no worries. We're so happy that you're on the show here today. You took out the time, so thank you so much for that.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Yeah, so were you in Niagara shooting for a film right now?
Yeah, we were in Toronto and Canada and the same area for about almost 2 months now. And we've been filming in Toronto, in Niagara Falls, in Blue Mountain, and different locations of Toronto in and around.
Right.
So it's been a really good experience. The film is called Na Baja Na Barati.
Okay.
And it's a Pakistani feature. It's a family comedy.
Okay. So who are the cast members who are we looking forward to seeing other than you?
So other than myself, in the younger lot, we have a couple of new people that we're introducing.
Right.
There's a guy from America by the name of Shayan Khan.
Okay.
And two girls, one from Canada called Nayab Khan, who has a bit of a fan base here in
Right.
Toronto
I've heard her
already.
name before. Yeah.
She's been into YouTube videos, and there's another girl from Ukraine who's of Pakistani origin called Anzalekha.
Oh, wow.
So introducing two new girls and a guy, and then we have a bit of a senior lot: Atika Odo, Kavi Khan, Azra Mohyuddin, Mahmood Akhtar.
Wow, such a spectacular cast.
And then Ali Kazmi, who's playing a bit of a villain, a comedy villain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
He's got a nice role in the film as well. So yeah, it's an interesting mix, and it's I think the first Pakistani film in Canada, and so we're going to see a lot of Canadian flavor, and then the story revolves around a family that's settled in Canada, so we'll get to see a bit of flavor of that. And the two brothers, the film revolves around the two brothers basically.
Okay.
Who are always up to no good, So it's a fun story. It's got
good.
a lot of fun situations and nice locations and a good cast. So I'm positive about
Right,
this.
that's really exciting. So when can we look forward to that film coming
this will
out?
be next year. I mean, I think probably sometime around Eid next year, or maybe slightly before that. Maybe May next year, May, June, something like that.
That's awesome. Looking forward
April,
to
May,
it.
June, something like that next year.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's great.
yeah.
So, when you started at a time the Pakistani industry wasn't so, expanded. I mean, ARY was starting off with you pretty much. There weren't many designers there. You started off as a model. But ab dekha jaye, the expansion and the growth of the Pakistani film industry and just the media industry in general has grown so much. So, how do you see that speed, that growth up? Kuch salon mein, where do you see the Pakistani film industry internationally?
Oh yeah, I mean, it's all very positive that, we've really, since I started, and I started at a time, in which you're right, where everything was just growing and starting, and not just ARY, we had ARY, then we had Geo, then we had, all of these new channels coming up.
Right.
And even in terms of fashion, it was a very kind of niche market which started growing because of media. And, my own success is largely due to luck in a way, in terms of timing, I suppose. But, there weren't that many people involved.
It wasn't as competitive?
It wasn't as competitive. I mean, hardly anyone wanted to act 15 years ago or model. Now everyone wants to do it.
And I was going to ask you, so how did you even convince your family or your parents? Because you didn't come from a media background.
Yeah. I mean, I started off for fun. I was very young. I was only 18 or 19 when I started. So my first year as a model was just fun.
Right.
And I just finished school and I was about to go to college and I took a year off.
Oh, okay.
And in that year off is when I started modeling, and one thing basically led to another, and
Then the song also came out.
the song
with
came
the
out,
Bridal
and
Hug.
I did a couple of commercials very early on. I managed to do shoots and shows, and I worked with all the big names in Pakistan
Right.
within the first year.
That's incredible.
And you know, I started getting a lot of appreciation and
So basically, luck and like hard
so
work.
luck, yeah, it was a bit of a meant to be wali story, I think.
Right,
You know, I mean,
that's
I
great.
never thought I'd be. I don't know how many people, you know, grow up thinking, oh, मैं actor बनूंगा. You know, I think not very many.
So it was
You know,
certainly not planned.
It was very, yeah. It was definitely unplanned. You
Wow.
know? And once, you know, I started making a name and started making a bit of money and, you know, and things were good and, you know, things were getting stable is when I then started seriously looking at it.
Wow, that's great.
And then 2 years into it is when I was like, okay, you know, I think this is it. This is my calling. This is
Well,
what I
we're
have to
lucky
do.
as fans that we get to see you working more often.
That's an honor. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Mashallah, your success has been great. You've been in amazing hits. I mean, literally drama after drama, show after show. It's such a hit. So, as an actor for you, what's more important, being part of projects that are hits or showcasing your versatility?
I think it's a bit of both. I mean, I think after a certain point, you want to do things. You know, some things you do for money, some things you do for the love of it. You
Right.
know? So yeah, I mean, I think I definitely like to challenge myself. You know, and I like picking on the difficult roles.
Right.
And I think as an actor, you know, within my own category of actors, you know, my own age group, जिसमें 8-10 नाम होंगे शायद. You know, I think I try to be versatile compared
You
to.
definitely
yeah.
do. Even fans were speaking earlier too. You've definitely broken your image of being the calm,
I think that's
composed
what I, you know,
actor.
I think what I desperately wanted to do because I started off as a model. You know, models are notorious for being terrible actors. You know, so I desperately wanted to break that
barrier.
that image, you know, that image. So then I took on, you know, things that were really challenging.
Good.
And I mean, I think every time I do a different role or I work with a new team or I work with new people, you know, I grow. So
Right.
I think that's what I'm selfish about.
Oh, okay, I see. See, even in Main Sitara, you know, or Deare Dil, you've
And
totally
again,
broken the
I
image.
mean, coming back to those roles, I mean, those were, you know, young actors don't take on, you know, like bigger roles, you know, with gray
Right.
hair and stuff like that. But I'm really open to that. And I feel that, you know,
And
I actually really love older roles, you know,
You
because
do?
because you actually have to act. You know, if I'm playing a 50-year-old, you know, I mean, I'm not, so I've got to act it. You know, I've got to act aged, and I've got to put on a voice, and so
Right.
I enjoy that.
It's harder, so it
and
challenges
I enjoy the
you.
challenge of that.
That's
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
I was gonna ask you, to kaisa raha being the father of a leading lady you've been like a hero with?
Well,
Was that
I think
strange?
she minded it more than I did.
Maya Ali would have been feeling so
yeah,
awkward.
Maya kept on telling me, Mikhail, I mean, you know, I have a different image of you. I can't call you daddy. You know? I
That's
was
so
like-
awkward.
I was like, so. And I think she refuses to work with me as a hero now that I've become a father. But anyway.
It's like, no, what the boo hai?
हाँ, वो तो अबू है. So, but yeah, I mean, you know, I mean, for me, what's more pleasureful is getting that question.
Right.
You know, is being asked that you know, why do you want to take on the challenging role? And
Yeah.
you know, I suppose, you know, we all kind of want to be different somehow. You know, or we all want you know, a different image of ourselves
Right.
or individuality.
And I think every actor is after that, you know, I want to do something different. I want to be well known, obviously. So is there anyone in your age group and in the Pakistani industry, be honest with this one, do you find anyone's work like, oh my God, ye to competition hai for sure, I got to up my game? Or are you more focused in your
Well,
own
I
career?
think, you know, that's a really good question. I mean, I think, you know, for a long time, I felt there wasn't much competition.
Right, because you started so young.
Yeah, and I think I got lazy. You know, I think
Okay.
I got lazy ke yaar.
एक ही काम बार
Yeah,
बार।
I mean, there's no competition wali baat. You know, now I think there's a lot more competition. You know, and I think we have, you know, some.
If you were to
some
name a few
really,
people.
really good names. I mean, I think within my own age group, I mean, we have the obvious names like Fawad Khan
Right.
or Ali Zafar, and you know, followed by maybe Fahad Mustafa or
Absolutely.
Ehsan Khan and. Hamza Ali Abbasi, you know,
Right.
people like that. Usman, who is, you know, a few years younger than us, but
Right.
you know, who's now making a name. Ali Rahman, people like that. You know, these are all we're all kind of in the same kind of batch. I think. I mean,
Right.
I feel a great sense of pride. Actually, I mean, I feel a great pride in the 15 years that I gave this industry, in which, you know, it's grown. So, you know, I guess I played some part.
Right,
you know, in
very
doing
well,
that.
you should. You absolutely
So,
did.
you know, and I think we're all very proud of that. That we all started at the same time, pretty much.
Right.
You know, when I started about 15 years back, and you know, we're all somewhere now. you
Yeah,
know.
that's great.
So it's a very, you know, it's a very
I
powerful
feel like
feeling.
each of you have made your own mark in the industry,
so it's
absolutely.
a very powerful feeling, and we're all kind of still there for each other. You know.
Right, that's good.
And trying to support each other, even. you know, and we all play our own role. I mean, if it's if we talk about Pakistani actors going to India, you know, I mean, I went to India in 2006 for the first time.
Right.
You know, it's only recently that
You did
know,
You Are My John, and you've done Baby as well.
The first one I did was Godfather.
Godfather,
and
right.
then that was an India-Pakistani co-production. That was followed by Shoot on Sight, which was, I guess, my bigger break at the
Right.
time. You know,
Absolutely.
working with Nasiruddin Shah and Om Puri and doing a lead in an international product. You know,
Yeah,
so that
absolutely.
was really good. But I mean, you know, for me as an actor, I mean, India's been. I think you know, India is a bit of a dicey market for a Pakistani actor. I mean, it's great in the sense that you know it's the same language, it's a similar culture, it's a bigger market, of course. You know. And you know, there's no point in hiding anything. It is a better market. You know, it's a bigger
Absolutely,
market.
yeah.
The quality of work is better there
Yeah.
too. But you know, you never know कि हालात किस तरह होंगे इंडियन पाकिस्तान के बाद. So for me, I think you know what happened after Shoot on Sight is that my focus did become India, and then I was supposed to do a few films, and then this thing happened, and everything kind of fell apart.
Okay.
But then I was left with kind of nothing in Pakistan as well, you know, because I didn't really burn bridges, but my focus had shifted.
Right.
So I think after that point, my focus shifted back to Pakistan.
Okay.
And I decided कि नहीं, ठीक है,
अब यहीं पे
I'm
काम
happy
करना
with Pakistan, you know, and I feel I can do more in Pakistan. You know what I mean? I feel, you know, I can be a bigger drive of change. I mean, I can't really change
Absolutely.
anything in India. I could be a big celebrity there maybe.
Right.
You know, and I could do lots of films, but I will not be part of the change, and that's what I want to do.
Right.
You know, I think after a certain point you want to give back then.
Yeah,
You know,
because
and
I
you
mean,
wanna-
Pakistan is still growing the
Exactly,
industry, whereas
exactly.
India, they're a lot more established already.
Exactly. I mean, coming back to the same thing, I can't make a change over there, but I know I can make a change in Pakistan. So that's where my focus is. So for me, I don't mind. कोई एक आधा project हो जाए साल में.
Yeah.
You know, I'm open to that, but it's not a focus of mine.
That's good though, because you're keeping staying open-minded, and I think artists should
I'm
be
fine
like
with
that.
that, yeah.
Boundaries नहीं होनी चाहिए अपने काम
Absolutely
में.
not. And you know, उस हवाले से, I mean, you know, I think artists have been a big bridge between the divide that there is
Right,
in India
and the
Pakistan.
peace that has come between the two countries
I mean,
and
you know,
stuff.
we don't make a huge difference to it, unfortunately, because you know our fingers are not on the triggers.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, I think social interaction is very positive,
Absolutely.
and will only lead to the countries getting closer. So
Right.
you know, I think that's the part that we can play, and I think artists on India and artists in Pakistan play that part.
They do, definitely. You worked with so many different legends. I mean, Abid Ali, Nasiruddin Shah, Talat Hussain, to name a few. Kabhi bhi aisa hua where you're meeting someone and you're about to work with them, but you yourself had to pinch yourself and be like, wait a minute, main ke saath kaam kar raha hu.
Well, I mean, I think working with Nasir Saab for the first time was, you know, that was a big moment for me. You know?
Wow.
And it was a very funny interaction because I went there and, you know, I was preparing and I prepared this whole speech, you
Yeah.
know. And I went and I met him and he was on set and I was like, you know, Nasir Saab, maine aapka ye dekha, wo dekha. And I kept on going on for 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
And he was just listening. And after 5 minutes, he's like, bas boliye jo bolna tha. I was like, yeah, kehta hai, chal idhar aa mere naal beh. You know, and he was really like a father, like an older brother, like a father figure. He was so nurturing, even Om Saab. And, you know, I've been lucky and fortunate, partly, I think, due to my own attitude towards things,
Right.
that people have been very generous with knowledge, you know, and
Right.
passing it on.
That's great.
And, yeah.
You know,
and
it's
people
experience lena and stuff.
Yeah, and, you know, that whole film, me and Nasir Saab, we really bonded. And, you know, we were together all the time. We'd go and watch films together and
That's
stuff.
incredible.
And,
Wow.
Then later on a trip to India, I went and stayed at his house and he was very welcoming. And, you know,
Nice.
so with Nasir Saab, I was, you know, a bit hesitant. लेकिन मैंने हमेशा ये देखा जितना बड़ा आर्टिस्ट होता है ना उतना ही वो down to earth होता है.
That's great. And I think you're already on your way up there. I mean, you've already made a spot, but I mean,
I think I also get that because I've also been always very, you know, I've been a huge promoter of talent. You
Right.
know, whenever I see talent, I'm not one to, you know, कि ये मेरी जगह ले ले. I want people to come forward. I
That's
want
so
good
kind
people
of
to come,
you.
and I think I get that in return then.
right.
You know,
I
'cause
love that approach, you
Because I
know.
pass that, you know, those good positive
Those
vibes on.
vibes, yeah.
So, you know, I get that in return.
Yeah, I mean, we were talking to a few of your fans. We did a few of those interviews, and everyone, हर किसी के मुंह से ये था, oh my God, he's so down to earth. Like, it's like people don't expect that with someone, mashallah, who's so successful. But when you, again, break that stereotype and show, okay, no, I am human, I am genuine.
I mean, you know,
that's great.
I think on a personal note, I mean, other than work and all, I think, something else I've believed always in is I've never believed that anyone is better than me, and that I've never believed anyone's, lesser than me.
Beautiful.
So I believe in equality.
That's great.
And that's the kind of approach I have.
That's how it should be. So I'm so glad to hear that. We're done with the interview part, but we have a very tiny little segment called the lightning round.
Okay.
But we need you to be a very good sport in that.
Okay.
It's going to be 50 seconds on the timer.
Okay.
Okay. आप
I'm
जितने
terrible. I'm telling you already. But let's do this.
जितने भी आप questions कर सकें, real fast, कोई explanation needed नहीं है. Be as honest as you can.
Okay.
Disclaimer. This is all fun and jokes, so don't worry about it. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, okay.
In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Who would you cast as a villain among these list of actresses? Mahira Khan, Harim Farouk, Sanam Saeed, or Maya Ali?
Sanam Saeed.
Okay.
As a villain.
As a villain.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
Sanam could do a good villain.
Okay. Whose music do you enjoy the most? Atif Aslam, Shafqat Amanat Ali Khan, Ali Zafar, or Rahat Fateh Ali Khan?
I think Atif and Rahat.
You have to pick one.
Atif then.
Atif. Okay, awesome. Any
His
favorite
voice,
song?
not his music, but his voice, I think.
It's
and his
definitely
singing.
unique.
Yeah, any song, Tajdar-e Haram.
Definitely, definitely. Okay, who's always messing up their lines, aka giving the most retakes? Urwa Hussain, Sanam Jung, Sabah Qamar, or Sohaya Liabro? Be honest.
Oh my God, they're gonna kill me. Actually, they're all very good, yeah. It's probably me who's getting the lines wrong, not them.
Well, that is such an easy way out of this question. You have to pick a name. It's just fun and
Was
jokes.
Aisha Khan in there?
No, but we can add her name if you want. Aisha Khan it is for that. Okay, chale.
But she's not, no, she doesn't really forget. I mean,
It's more about just doing more retakes.
no, it's just about the way they are on set, I think.
Okay, all right.
General kind of attitude.
Well, hopefully you have an answer for this one.
Okay.
Who's always late on set? Humayun Saeed. I was just
And
gonna say,
everyone-
अगर आप खुद punctual हैं तो पता चलेगा.
Everyone will second that.
Okay.
I'm notorious for being late.
Really?
But anyway.
I was gonna say Humayun Saeed, Noman Ijaz, Ehsan Khan, or Adnan Siddiqui.
Out of this lot, I don't know. I think they're all pretty punctual.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Maybe Humayun.
Humayun's a little
might be a
late,
little
Humayun
notorious.
Saeed.
for-
All
But
right.
I think none of them have the notorious value that I have in terms of coming in late.
All right, well, if you say that. Okay, who do you think the audience appreciates watching you more with? Sabah Qamar, Sanam Saeed, Mehwish Hayat, Sanam Baloch, or Urwa Hussain?
I think the top two. I think I've done a lot of work with Sabah that people have appreciated,
Right.
and she's a wonderful actress and
So
a
Sabah Qamar?
pleasure to work with. And even Sanam, Sanam's also a superb actor.
Sanam Saeed?
Sanam Saeed, yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
All right, great. Who takes the longest with their hair and makeup? Mahira Khan?
All of them.
Again, an easy answer, I'm sure. But Mahira Khan,
Myra doesn't really. Myra's pretty good. She's not really
I
into
think
like.
she's a natural beauty, to
Yeah,
be
she's
honest.
not. I think she doesn't really need that much makeup. So I've never seen her taking too much time.
Okay, so the other lot we have is Maya Ali, Aisha Khan, or Sanam Saeed. Who take longer with their
I
hair and
think
makeup?
Aisha probably. Out
Aisha
of this lot.
Khan?
Aisha,
Okay.
and then Maya. And Maya B. I don't think does that much. I don't know. I haven't worked with her recently.
So your answer is Aisha,
Aisha.
Khan.
Aisha
Okay.
Khan.
All right. Best dressed male: Hamza Ali Abbasi, Fawad Khan, Humayun Saeed, or Imran Abbas. After you, of course.
Fawad, I think.
Fawad
Fawad has
Khan.
a good style.
All right.
Yeah.
And best dressed female: Sanam Saeed, Maya Ali, Sanam Baloch, Mahira Khan.
Myra.
Okay. And last but not least, are you ready for this? Sing a song.
Okay.
favorite song.
My favorite song. Said I love you are not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want to not to know, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel more than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I already know.
Wow, that's incredible. You're so good. I
Thank
mean,
you.
you're so multi-talented, so you totally have a backup career. ready
I
in your
think I do.
pocket.
You know, originally, we never got to this, but I wanted to be a singer actually.
Oh yeah, you can play the guitar, you can sing, you can
Play the
act.
piano, yeah. Well, I mean, an actor needs to be multi-talented. An actor needs to be able to do 100 different things because, you never know in what role what you'll be expected to do.
Exactly.
From riding a horse to riding a motorcycle to driving a car to being able to fire a gun.
To playing a father.
To play a father, to play a son, to play a lover, to play a bad guy.
Right.
Everything.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mr. Mikhail Zulfikar.
My pleasure.
It's been so good talking to you. Truly, from the bottom of my heart, I pray that you have the success that you desire.
Thank you.
Everyone's been so excited to meet you today. It was literally, it was so crowded. So thank you so much for this meet and greet and this quick interview.
Great. My pleasure. Thanks so much.